Hello, quick introduction to the video. My name is Cameron. I'm a graduate apprentice software engineer currently studying at Glasgow University, and I'm using this video as a way to sort of rubber ducky debug a LeetCode problem, just attempt to solve it, talk through my thought process, and hopefully it's useful to someone watching this. So the problem I'm going to be attempting today is number 3046, split the array. So you're given an integer array nums of even length. You have to split the array into two parts, nums1 and nums2, such that nums1.length is equal to nums2.length and nums.length is less, or, nums1 length is equal to nums2 length, and that is equal to the length of nums divided by 2. Nums1 should contain distinct elements, nums2 should also contain distinct elements. Return true if it is possible to split the array, and false otherwise. So, for example, in nums1, we've got 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, and the output is true. We can have 1, 2, 3 in one of the arrays, and 1, 2, 4 and in the other one. Okay. Let's go to our notes. So ideas, iterate through nums. If num is not in either array, add it to the one with the least items. If num is in an array, add it to the other one. And then we can check if array lengths are equal. If lengths are equal, oh wait, we can say if num is in both arrays, return false. If array lengths are equal, return true. Let's try that. So let's copy paste this in, comment it out, and we can say for num and nums, and we can have our two arrays, nums1, nums2, and these are initialized to empty lists. And then we say if num not in nums1 and num not in nums2, if nums1 or the length of nums1 is less than the length of nums2, nums1 dot append num else nums2 dot append num. The other case is if it is one of the arrays, so we can say if num and nums1, we can do nums2 I, oh, yeah, it'd probably be better saying if it's in both arrays first. If num and nums1 and num and nums2 return false. Then we can say if num and nums1 nums2 dot append num else nums1 dot append num, and then we can return the length of nums1 being equal to length of nums2. Or why it's throwing an error here. If num not in nums1 and num not in nums, oh, that's right. So where do I return false? If num and nums1 and num and nums2, and it has to be false here, no. Let's print num here. One. If nums1, if num and nums1, oh, they should always be elves. That's probably why. Yeah, there we go. Let's submit this. And wrong answer. So what do we get on this? We get false but expected true. Nums1 length should equal nums2 length. Okay. Let's print num here. So here it takes an 8. It's not in nums1 and it's not nums2. Length of nums1 is not less than nums2. So it puts it in nums2. Okay. Then the next number comes in, it's not an either, puts it in nums1, then it looks around again, it sees that it's 11 num, it's not in that or that. Well, no, it is in nums1, but not in nums2, so it goes to here. If num in nums1. Let's every time we go through here, let's print nums1, nums2. Let's print it right at the end as well. So we get it, so it's a bit uneven. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It doesn't add in the 1, the 2 or the 1 here. Right, it gets to the 3 here. I'm trying to figure out if it's getting to this area here. Oh no, it's getting down to here. So if this, then it's going to do this or this. Otherwise, it's going to return false. Otherwise, it's going to do this. So it should get to the point where it tries to put in. Oh no, it does at the end here. So here, it really should have put the 2 here instead of here. I actually think it would make more sense to actually sort this. So sorted to try and mitigate that issue. So sorted. Underscore nums, or can we just say nums is equal to sorted nums, like this. There you go, accepted and passed. So thank you very much for watching the video. Hope it was useful to you in some way, shape or form. If it was, please leave a comment. I love discussing these problems and their solutions. So yeah, thank you once again for watching, and I hope you have a great day.